This is a computer on which we run Python code. Total hard disk capacity, 456 GB. Used amount, 62 GB. Free remaining to be used, 370 GB. Total RAM capacity is 3.69 GB. Available battery is 75.4%. The computer is running on battery power. The operating system of the computer is Linux. The name of the computer is Python computer. OS version of computer is 4.15.0-96 generic. The machine CPU type is x86-64. Total number of cores is 4. The MAC address of the computer is B58304:D881:D9. Current Python version is CPython 3.7.